Hi, I'm Taylor Russell. Tell us what happened that day.
I started off a normal day. And me and my friend Jake were going to a friend's house to do some homework. He was supposed to go with me, but thankfully he didn't, and he went with his parents. My brother overcorrected running into a tree, two trees, and I flew out the back and went into a concrete fence and also a tree that cut up my knee and cut up my head.
What were you thinking in the hospital?
So just scared. I didn't know what was happening for my parents. I didn't know what I was doing there. I knew it was a car wreck, but I didn't know what was happening.
And what did you learn from this entire experience?
I learned that you're always supposed to wear a seatbelt no matter what.
Can you show us your injuries?
Yes.
In 2013, 2,163 teens in America ages 16 through 19 were killed. That means that 6 teens died every day. These deaths are preventable by wearing